Down south.
Making a weird noise. I slipped. Yeah, it's fucking wet. I got a light fucking body, man. I ain't no fat ass. That's actually kind of cool that they're doing it from the boat. I hope so. Maybe.
No, I think they're from shore. There's a point out there, like a rocky point.
Yeah. Big. This one's shitty fucking fireworks stuff.
Look at that one. That's amazing. Ooh, look at that. Holy shit.
Are they doing it off the point over there?
Fucking weakness.
Making a weird noise.
Big wicked noodle, that's cool.
That's a sweet sound. Look at them. Because they're fucked up.
Nikki,
Yo.
there's a full moon.
I know. The blood moon, the red moon, or whatever the fuck it is, the white moon.
It's no.
Harvest.
It's a normal moon.
Is it?
Harvest is
It's
orange.
a 7-8 moon.
I don't know if it's a full moon.
And you want tequila moon.
Oh, sweet moon.
You got Chase left? I'll use that as Chase.
Did you meet Jonah when he was
Can I
out?
hold this for a sec, Dougie?
Oh yeah, did you meet Jonah?
He's Jonah. Her brother, like Johnny's last party, big party Johnny had. He was a big tall guy that was kind of big.
Blonde.
He's getting in a lot of trouble during the night. Did you hear about all that shit?
Apparently he slapped girls' asses and guys' asses and everyone's
And the
asses.
girl's phone disappeared and they
That was
couldn't
my
find
wife's
Oh.
phone.
To
Did
be
he
fair,
take it
His
or
wife's phone
To be
disappeared.
fair-
who took it? Who took it?
he probably did.
And he,
But
he
to
had the
be
very
fair,
same phone.
if he took it, he didn't purposely
Yeah, he wouldn't
take
steal
it.
nothing.
No,
I was pretty pissed and I was gonna talk to myself, but Johnny wouldn't tell me what it was.
no, to be fair, if Jonah takes something that isn't his, he's not trying to steal it, he probably just totally forgot
He had
it's
the
in his
exact same
pocket.
phone.
Yeah, but he had an orange auto
Yeah,
box.
yeah,
I don't know
different
how
color,
you can
but-
decipher pink and orange.
Yeah, but it's flashing lights and shit and all that. So
Well, I don't know. I can.
he
tell
wouldn't. He
colors
wasn't
and-
trying to steal it. I know he wasn't. He was just drunk as shit and picked up the wrong phone.
Yeah, well,
No,
my
Jonah
wife-
doesn't steal
She's
things
lucky
from
my
people.
wife punched him because she
Yeah.
gets upset. Like, she
Yeah.
works hard for her shit, and then when someone takes something, it's like a different
Yeah,
story.
no, I think that's on acid.
Yeah, I know,
It's like
but
a drunken, stupid
When you're
ass.
all drinking, you don't know it's by accident. Right?
Yeah.
At first, you come to like, it's like the
I know,
cops
and
are,
then
hey,
he's
shoot
shooting
now,
him.
ask questions later. Right?
He's carrying a knife on him. He's
not
carrying
big
a big
enough.
fucking
Jonah?
8-inch knife on him.
Here
That's-
comes Minnie with papers.
To be honest,
Good girl, eh?
the reason why Jonah...
Babe, you missed it.
Remember that?
Well, I thought
That party at
I
Johnny's
walked
and the
around,
phone
I carry a
disappeared?
goddamn knife
Yeah.
on
Your
me.
phone disappeared?
Yeah, I'm recording.
That was her brother.
Because I don't want to be
I'm
Yeah,
recording.
you-
She says, oh.
Fuck, now
Sort of the
he's,
same color. And
he's
he was
selling
on
it
all
for
kinds of
$4
shit,
grand
drunk.
now.
Like he was on
Fuck, I might buy a dirt bike.
His phone's
Yeah.
the same but different color.
To be fair, my
And he picked
brother's
it-
a
he
stupid
doesn't
drunken
steal or
idiot,
nothing.
and
That
I
was her
guarantee
brother.
he wasn't
He's
trying
got
to steal
dope for
it.
days and everything. He doesn't.
He's a stupid fuck,
Did you
though.
find some?
Yeah, he's a stupid shit though. He gets drunk, he'll pick up stuff and do crazy shit.
Whoa!
I'll give him
Is that it? No.
What are you doing?
It's actually better than
Well, that's
first
the
one, I think,
whole
out
thing.
here.
The only thing is like, because
What's that?
the other people that there when I was
Yeah,
like
no, my
full
grandparents
blast in the
stay in
lights on
Rainbow
video,
Lake.
it was
Let's
there.
go for a swim.
And then he
Left at,
said,
like, 10
my
10.
like I was only there for a
Fucking
drink because I had to work in the
so
morning,
nice
and
Pike.
we were there.
Yeah, Rainbow Lake.
And as soon as
Rainbow Lake
everyone
Road,
started showing
I
up,
guess.
that's when I left. So I knew it wasn't far. Like there wasn't that many
It's in
people.
Kirkland.
It's all good.
Kirkland Lake.
There was tons of fights, eh? It was bad.
Was it? I
Oh
left.
yeah, I
don't.
was the bouncer.
I left.
I pushed everybody out.
Fuck,
Redfish?
it's by Swan.
It's pretty
Lake,
nice, I
but
think.
A bit further down.
Ooh, nice.
Firewood?
Woo!
Screamer.
Woo!
Emily's going home. She's going home in Kirkland.
Look at it.
What happened to the boot?
It's like snakes.
There's one here.
Come on, why not?
Emily, they're debating where to go.
Hey, you guys gonna come to my house or we're going to Johnny?
being nice.
You're not drinking, Mark?
Hey?
You're not drinking? Fucking pussy.
Can't drive standard.
Smart.
Standard's fucking easy to drive.
There you go.
How about hey, if you drink, she can take my truck and drive it.
Look at Nikki's just in the truck.
Take a picture of both of them. Billy, look!
Hold on, good.
Oh shit! I got weed in my nose. Johnny's like, I'll be there in a few minutes.
Ooh, blacksmith. Watch out, don't stand behind the car, you never know what could happen. I wouldn't walk behind the car.
My place, Doug, you're right.
It's a movie! It's a video! Yeah. Look at that fucking truck. Ooh, black smoke.
We getting a ride there or what?
No, we're walking.
Oh, joint. You got a Dodge too, me too. Mine's a 2008 though.
Really, mine's 2009. I'm gonna get rid of it soon.
You got coil springs released?
Your coil.